Hello, and welcome to the Chaos. And this week we are unboxing our first month of Witch Casket, a monthly subscription box ran by two women out of the UK. Before we start on the physical box, they actually come with digital things as well. So we'll start there. Alright, so when it comes to the digital things, they send these to your email, which they get at sign-in, and when they've shipped your box, they'll send these to you separately. So the first thing that we got is this photo recipe of distance healing spell, which is mint, chamomile, rose, and lavender. And it goes through how to prepare it, so it is next, you blend the herbs together with your mortar and pestle, and then you jar it. Beautiful, the pictures are really pretty, and again, these are yours to keep, so. The next is a desktop wallpaper for your computer, and these are custom made by their in-house artist. Next we have a phone wallpaper. And finally, this is called the IG Highlight. Not entirely sure what it is, but it is a pretty digital art piece. And we are back. So, now we will get into the physical box here. So, first off, I love the fact that the box is so, like, aesthetic. So, I'm gonna open it, and right there it has the website and all of their social links, and then it is branded all through the inside. And to start with, we have, this is our pamphlet of everything that is inside. So this is just our little checklist, and it is a full little booklet. Okay, next we have this adorable print, which is a moon with a hand and a lavender sprig, which is a Witch Casket exclusive. I believe everything in here is actually that. And it is a magical healing art print. So this is just a cute little print to hang on your wall. Ooh, there's a lot here. So next we have a, what is this? A scroll. So originally this hat was a little bit smaller and had a little sticker on it, but I looked at it, so. But we have a scroll, which is a simple healing spell. And I don't believe anything for this is actually included, but that is alright. Most of it only requires a person, a photo of the person, a blue candle, and dried peppermint. So I believe a photo on your phone would be fine, or a drawing would be fine, so really the only thing that would need to be sourced is peppermint, because I have many blue candles, so that would be all I would need, but a blue candle and peppermint, and blue candles are actually one of the easier ones to find in stores if you don't have like a specific magic store or occult store near you. It's one that you can actually quite easily find, so that is awesome. Okay, next we have the Witch Casket Healing Witch's Brew, which is a rose and mint tea blend. And on the back here, you can see that it has a little spell for intentions and to help with the healing, and all that's in this is rose and mint. The affirmation is, in Witch's Brew I find natural healing for body and mind. And this is a loose leaf tea in here. And I believe there's two of them. I know there's another one in here, I just don't have it right now. And the next one to go along with that is a healing amethyst potion infuser. And can I point out how much I love how all of this comes in just these cute little, like, baggies? Because they can be used for so many things from spells for satchels or like other kinds of spells can just be used with this, so having so many of them is a fantastic thing to get. But we have our healing potion infuser, which is a cute little tea ball with an amethyst crystal on the end. So it helps with focusing energies, which is really awesome. I know amethyst is used a lot for stress relief and anxiety, but it's also used for, like, focusing psychic abilities. So it really helps with aiming intention. So that was a fantastic add to that. Let's make sure that all of the little cards stay with them, because they all have, like, the instructions on ways they can be used, the intended ways, but again, with everything, it can be used for your own intentions or however you see fit to use it that works for your practices. So that's always nice. Next, we have the Wooden Intention Healing Easel. And that is just one of these cute little mini easels, and you can get one of these from like Fred Meyer's or any other like art-based grocery stores, art-based craft store kind of things like Joann's or Michael's or something. But this one is special because they have wood burned in So Mote It Be on the bottom, which is really sweet. And they intend this to be used as an aid to setting intentions. You can take like a picture of the person you're trying to heal, set it on your easel, and set it on your workspace so that you can focus your intentions on them. So that is really helpful. That can be used outside of the spell. It's just a repeated magical use, so that is awesome. Next, we have a healing amethyst crystal. Okay, so we have an amethyst healing crystal inscribed with a powerful healing sigil. This amethyst is excellent physical and emotional healer. Amethyst has calm, serene energy that makes great for meditation aid. It's also a natural tranquilizer that relieves stress and strain, soothes anxiety and irritability, calms anger and grief. And of course at the bottom it says crystals are a complementary therapy and should not be used instead of professional medical advice. Which is nice to have added. So yes, now we have the amethyst crystal here. So here's just the plain amethyst side. It's very smoothed down, as well as the healing symbol on it. I'm not sure what this actually is. A lot of sigils tend to be rune-based, but I don't know. These are definitely not Nordic runes. They might be like Theban? I have very little knowledge of that, but that is cute. Next we have Witch Casket exclusive heart healing incense. And then it has an affirmation on the side that says, I surround myself with healing energies and vibrations which soothe my heart and soul. And then, of course, the proper way to burn them. And then on the back, it says, I surround yourself with the healing vibrations of jasmine and rose. Which is a fantastic scent combination. Oh. Okay, and next we have this really cute little wooden box with just a lid that slides right off, just like that. Yeah. And inside we have a little baggie of amethyst crystals and This is all apparently intended to be used as a crystal healing wooden box. And I'm not going to go through the entire spell just because, like, there is quite a bit of it. But basically, you add in some herbs that could include rose petals or jasmine, a talisman, and you can make it as simple or as elaborate as you wish, and then add your crystals. So, I don't know where this cut off, but I actually missed one, which is this adorable little enameled pin that is a lavender lunar pin that I just love. Obviously, we know how I feel about pins, so this will make an awesome addition. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this, please like below, and maybe consider subscribing. Maybe. And have a wonderful week. Thank you so much for watching. Stay weird. Bye.